This is Ola Ahlqvist, and I am a faculty member in the geography department at The Ohio State University. Graduate student Hyowan Ban and I have been working on density surfaces. In this animation we use a spatial summary statistic called density surface. This technique helps geographers explore all kinds of spatial patterns, and in this particular case we look at where dancers spend most of their time. The density surface is created by dividing the stage into many small areas and then counting how many points we find within arm's length of each small area. We then use a graded color scheme to represent the number of points we've counted up in each area. After a while, hotspots, or places that were most used by the dancers, start to show up as intense brown-red areas. The density surface can also be illustrated as a topographic landscape, where we take the count of points and use them as if they were elevation values, creating a dense landscape of mountains, peaks, and valleys. Now the hotspots are found as mountaintops or ridges, and the deep valleys and flatlands represent little or no dancer activity. We also created separate surfaces for each dancer, and in this last sequence we pull these out one by one. Through these separate surfaces we can look at differences in individual dancer patterns. Some dancers are very active across the entire dance floor, whereas others spend most of their time in only a few areas. The most obvious pattern that emerges from watching this density surface is that most of the activity happens in the center of the stage. But we can also observe how the tables seem to act as a structuring element in this dance.